Welcome to another episode. Today is a really good geometry problem that reviews a lot of concepts. But in this question, I did see something that I've never seen before. Do you guys know what that is? I'm just gonna treat it as if it was a degree symbol, but hope you enjoy this problem and you get a good review. Let's go! In the figure below, C lies on the circumference of a circle O and radius 6. If angle BOA is 90, and I don't even know how to say that. I think that's just a degree measurement. Hopefully it is. And OA and OB are congruent. What is the perimeter of ABO? A lot of stuff going on. Let's start with the first information right here that says C lies on the circumference of a circle. That means that if I draw a radius right here, AB is going to be tangent to CO since it's only touching it at one point, making these two angles right here 90 degrees. Second information says that this right here is going to be 6. Third information is that angle BOA is 90 degrees and OA is congruent to OB. If you got a triangle with two congruent sides, that makes this isosceles. Isosceles triangles have congruent base angles right here. And if this is 90 degrees, that can only mean that each one of these are 45 because the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. So if you observe these two triangles, they have an angle, and a side congruent. AAS proves that these two triangles right here are going to be congruent. All right, now that you know that, let's focus on one of the tiny triangles. If this is 45 and that's 90, then angle AOC has to also be 45 degrees because the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 once again. So now you got a special right triangle right here, 45, 45, 90, where the two sides are going to be congruent. So if that's 6, that means AC is 6. And the relationship of the hypotenuse, which is AO of that tiny triangle, is going to be whatever the side is times the square root of 2. So these two triangles are congruent, meaning CB is also going to be 6 and OB is going to be 6 root 2. A lot of stuff going on in that triangle, but we are trying to find the perimeter, so all we have to do is add up all the sides. That's going to be 6, 6, 6 root 2, and 6 root 2. So 6 and 6 is going to get me 12. And when you are adding radicals, you just got to make sure that the radicals are the same. It's kind of like combined like terms. You just got to add 6 plus 6, which equals 12. And we're going to keep the same radical, root 2. You cannot add those together. So that is going to match letter choice B. I like this problem a lot. And someone in the chat, please tell me how to even say that symbol right there. I've never seen it. I don't know if that's a typo, but I'm just going to think that that's the same thing as a degree. Anyways, if this was a good review, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next episode. Peace.